Hello, welcome to this tutorial on negative numbers. This was the game we played in class. If you remember, you start on 0 and one person is positive, so they roll the die. Let's imagine they rolled a 4. So you would just move 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next person rolls, and that's the negative player. Imagine they rolled a 6. So now you subtract 6 from the 4. And this is the bit that can get tricky. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see we actually land on negative 2. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2, which we could write out this way. 4 minus 6 equals negative 2. So I'll clear the screen and we'll go on from negative 2. So we had one player on the negative 2, and the next person throws and say they get a 3. So they move forward 3 places. 1, 2, 3, and they would land on the 1. And that would look like negative 2 plus 3 equals 1. Now, it's a good idea to really practice this so you get very familiar. Remembering that after 0 is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and the numbers moving away from 0 seem to get bigger. But remembering that negative 13 is a lower number than negative 2. Moving away from 0, they're getting lower. Just as in this direction, moving away from 0, the numbers are getting bigger. Let's clear the screen again. Let's have another example. Say we've got a 5 and we want to subtract 8. So I'm trying to solve 5 minus 8. Now it's important not to mix these numbers up in your mind. It's 5, starting here on the 5, going back 8 places. It's not the same as 8 minus 5. Now if you did 8 minus 5, you know that the answer is 3. But let's look at 5 minus 8. So I'm on the 5 and I'm going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's my answer, negative 3. So it's actually negative 3. You might start to notice something here. Before, we thought if we got it mixed up and we said 8 minus 5 equals 3, but here we had 5 minus 8 and it's negative 3. You can see a pattern there. We have the same numbers involved, but because we're subtracting a larger number, we go into the negatives and it's a negative 3. Let's try another one like that. Let's start on 4 and we'll have 4 minus 7. Now if you got mixed up in your head and you actually answered 7 minus 4, well, 7 minus 4 is 3. But this is 4 minus 7. Does it have anything to do with the number 3? Let's see. Here I am on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it's 3, but negative 3. So this might help you work these out. That you've got 4 minus 7, and you know the difference between 7 and 4 is 3, but because we're subtracting the larger number, it's actually negative 3. One more. Let's start on 8 this time, and we'll have 8 minus 10. Now, just imagine you were going to solve 10 minus 8. Well, 10 minus 8, nice and easy. That would be 2. But 8 minus 10, is the answer 2? Well, no. We're subtracting the larger number, so it's negative 2. Let's check on the number line. I'm on 8 and I'm going back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And yes, it's negative 2. So this is something you might want to practice. You can use this number line, use this game, and have a go subtracting and going less than 0. And perhaps sometimes thinking of it in this way round can help you find the negative answer.